Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now choose system, language as an input, virtual keyboard, and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into theme and tap on the plus sign under my themes. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click next, adjust brightness and tap down. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and click apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!